Hey, nature lovers! Today, we're celebrating the tiny wonders of nature, pebbles. Pebbles, those small, smooth stones you find by the shore, have a world of beauty and versatility. These little gems aren't just pretty, they're your secret to creative landscaping, decor, craft, and even water treatment. Their soothing textures and colors can transform your space into a serene oasis. From creating beautiful mosaics to crafting unique jewelry, the possibilities with pebbles are endless.